For this procedure, you will need an 8mm Allen wrench, a 2.5mm Allen wrench, and the 3 wire retaining bolts provided. Remove the 3 wire retaining screws. Save them for later. Next, with the 2.5mm Allen wrench, loosen and remove the set screws. Next, use the 8mm Allen wrench to fully loosen the 3 retaining bolts. Keep going. Now you can remove the 3 lugs from the circuit breaker. Be sure to retain the small set screw for later use. With the 3 lugs removed, you can now add the additional wire retaining bolt to each one. Remove the cover and add the wire retaining bolt to the middle position until it's flush. Then replace the cover. When replacing the circuit breaker lugs, raise up the circuit breaker lug a few millimeters to help engage the threads on the retaining bolt. When the threads are engaged, do not fully tighten. Next, use the 2.5mm Allen wrench to install the small set screw. Fully tighten. Lastly, use the 8mm Allen wrench to fully tighten the retaining bolts, hand tight only. Then install the wire retaining screws until they're flush and you're done. Thank you.